Dustin, right out there. No fucking shot.
Yeah, jeez. We're not going to be able to make out the damn beach ball if we do this.
It's plenty big.
No, it's not on your camera, it's not. You need to be like 5 feet away so it fills up.
Ooh, buddy. Yeah.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh!